we will understand its procedure, purpose for which society can be registered, and the documents needed for its registration. So Society Registration Act 1860 govern the registration of society. As per the act, society is a separate legal entity formed by association of person for the betterment of society. As per section 20, following purpose are required for forming any society. It can be for charitable purpose or creation of military orphan funds, promotion of science, literature or fine arts. For example, promotion of music or painting is covered within the ambit of fine arts. Formation and maintenance of public libraries and museums. Societies can be formed for distribution of any useful knowledge in the society. If you talk about registration procedure, at least 7 members are required for its formation. These members are called founding members. First step is selection of name. So name of society should not resemble too much with the name of existing society. It should not violate trademark right of any other person. Name of society should not consist any word which shows its patronage with any government, whether central or state government. Next important step is formulation of memorandum of association, which contain the power and objectives of society in detail. It also contain the list of founding members and the governing body. For example, president, secretary, vice president, treasurer, executive member, nominated members. Rules and regulations of society are also formulated for internal working of the society. These memorandum of association and rules of regulation are signed by each founding member, and it is also required to be certified by attestation. President or secretary is required to file an affidavit disclosing the relation of such president or secretary with other members. For the registered address, rent agreement is also required to be formed, and the NOC, no objection certificate, is received from the landlord. After getting registration of society is required to be renewed by the members after every 5 years. So in this video